Welcome to Carleton's Math Corner. Today we're going to continue our study on the metric system. So last time we worked with this problem where we had 1,000 milligrams is equal to, well, we found out 1 gram because King Henry here, he started at M. Remember, M stands for milli, so we put a start there. And then G over here stands for grams, and whenever there's a single letter, it's always the middle. And so he hopped from start to end. He hopped 3 times to the left. And so we did the same thing with our number here. We did 3 times to the left. So we went 1, 2, 3, and we found that the decimal point landed right after the 1. And so 1,000 milligrams is the same as 1 gram. Okay, so let's try, let's do this next one over here. Let's do C stands for centi. Okay, so C is C. And so I'm going to erase what we have so far. And we're going to actually set this up. We need to write down, first of all, our start. Well, C is for centi, so I'm going to start here at centi, and I know it's 160 centimeters, and I need to figure out how many mm. Well, remember the first initial has to do with these letters, and so M stands for milli. The last one has to do with the middle, and so the last M stands for meters, so it's millimeters. And so in this case, that's going to be our end. I'm going to get rid of this other end from the last time. So it looks like King Henry, he doesn't really have to go too far. From start to end, he only has to jump once, 1 hop. And notice it is going to the right. He's starting at centi and he's going to milli, so he's going 1 to the right. And our decimal point right now is at the end. And so let's move 1 to the right. And because there is a space here, I need to fill it in with a 0. And so my answer is 1,600 millimeters. And that would be my answer. Now, what I would like to do is take a look at one of them that has like a decimal point in it. Okay, what if I have a number that's 5.6 kg? Now remember the K stands for the beginning, the prefixes, so that would be kilo. So kilo and then grams, so kilograms. And I want to get to grams. So let's go back to this and I'm going to erase what we had before. And our start, remember, is at kilo. So that's my start. And then the end is at grams. And remember, if it's a single letter, it is in the middle. So this is my end. And so we need to hop from kilo to grams. And let's do that. So King Henry, he is going to hop 1, 2, 3. And notice we went to which direction? The right. And we went right 3. So we're going to actually move our decimal point. So let's go back to this. It's 5.6. And we can actually see the decimal point this time. And we're going to move it. How many places to the right? 3, because King Henry took 3 jumps. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and we got to fill in zeros. There's 2 zeros, 1 here and 1 here. So our final answer is 5,600 grams. What I would like for you to do is I would like you to try the rest of these. First of all, for your ticket problems, I want you to practice writing the abbreviations. Like, how would you write kilograms? Well, I know kilo is K and grams is G, so that's how I would write it, kilograms. I would like you to fill in the rest of these, and then I want you to try some conversions. So will you complete 10 through 14? And I guess we already did 13 together. Thank you so much for joining me at Carlton's Math Corner, and I look forward to meeting with you again.